Get ready because we have some very important information and news to be sharing with you right now. And while cryptocurrencies are basically trading sideways inside of this pattern, there is incredible information that I need to share with you. So here we have it. There is a shock crypto price prediction revealed for cryptocurrencies very soon, where they are saying that Bitcoin is going to hit $100,000. And for Ethereum and other cryptocurrencies, that means crazy gains. And we are not only seeing these price predictions by one person, but it seems like every single day there's these major companies coming out and calling for $100,000. Bitcoin, Ethereum, $10,000, Dogecoin, $1. All of these cryptocurrencies are being called out like they're going to be blasting off here very soon. Look at this. Billions of dollars are being wagered on Ethereum. There's a massive update for Ethereum taking place here in the next several months. Also this, what to do when crypto is crashing. Our crypto is going to be crashing this year, as there is a common statement, the stock market and in investing, and May stay away. So is there going to be a big crash in May as everyone's predicting? We're going to be getting into that. We're going to be taking a look at every cryptocurrency. We're going to be taking a look at technical analysis to see where cryptos are actually headed. So make sure you watch this video until the end. You cannot miss anything that I have in store for you today. Now, make sure you also, if you love cryptocurrency videos, give this video a thumbs up if you would consider doing so. It really helps to support the channel. And let me know in the comments below, do you think May is going to be the month where cryptocurrencies crash? And make sure, if you want to get access to the most profitable crypto trade alerts in the internet, go ahead and join the Patreon right now, where you get constant updates on what is happening in the market. So you don't have to look on your phone and look on the internet why cryptos are crashing, why they're pumping. And you can get exit and entry alerts for cryptocurrencies, when to buy and sell. And you can even follow all of my exact trades and even speak to me on the phone if you want some help and some guidance in the crypto market. All you have to do is go ahead and sign up on the Patreon. I recommend tier 3. You can join by clicking the top pinned comment or going in my video description, checking out that link and a bunch of other links that can help you make money in crypto. So here is the thing. There is a massive price prediction that keeps coming out for cryptocurrencies, especially Bitcoin. People are calling for Bitcoin to soar above $100,000 within the next 12 months. Now that is very realistic. I mean, 2 years ago, Bitcoin was about $3,000 and it hit $70,000 a year later. That's kind of crazy, but that's how cryptocurrencies move. That's how Bitcoin has been moving. Now, obviously the market is not very bullish right now, but there are periods in the market where things trade sideways. There are periods when things are going up. There are periods when things are going down. And as of right now, there is not a lot of crazy movement, but as we have been looking on the charts, cryptos have been recovering since January. We have seen a recovery since January, and from our current position, we take a look at January, which is right here. Bitcoin was $33,000. We saw a 50% move since January, and that is certainly significant, especially if you were able to take profits to trade the market properly. And even to trade in and out of all these positions, you would have made maybe a lot more than 40 to 50% in your whole crypto portfolio. That is definitely what we try to do in the Patreon. So cryptocurrencies are still up since January, and there is still a lot more room for cryptos to grow because of all the crazy adoption that is taking place, all the crazy things that are happening around the world causing people to buy cryptos. Bitcoin hitting $100,000 is very realistic, and if Bitcoin, as it moves the entire crypto market, were to 3x or double from our current position, which we are will be a little bit more than double if Bitcoin does hit $100,000 in a year. If that were to happen, that's going to have a profound effect on altcoins, meaning every other coin besides Bitcoin. They will probably outperform Bitcoin, which they usually always do. It's much harder to move the biggest asset versus something like Dogecoin or Shiba Inu or even smaller cryptos than that. Now, also, billions are being wagered on breakthrough Ethereum revamping. So there's over $10 billion in Ethereum staked Lido Finance application. Stakers can maximize rewards after leverage holdings, but the importance of this article here is there's a massive update taking place for Ethereum in the next couple of months, where people will not be able to mine Ethereum with GPUs or computers. You will have to mine Ethereum by staking your Ethereum on the network. And that is a huge conversion. That is a huge update to Ethereum, which is looking very good. But that's also going to have a huge effect on Bitcoin and all cryptocurrencies. So we are super excited about that. And I am very sure before the actual update takes place, there's probably going to be some crazy positive bullish price action for Ethereum, for altcoins, and the whole crypto market. And here is the thing, be ready what to do when crypto is crashing. So there of course is a strong saying in the crypto market. As we saw last year, there was a Bitcoin crash, a crypto crash. This year in May, there's most likely going to be some volatility in May. There's probably going to be some crashing. There's probably going to be some bearish momentum. And April tends to be a very bullish month for cryptocurrencies. So me personally, I am probably going to be exiting the market before May. And if there are some bullish and big pumps in this current month, which we have seen some, I will be taking profits and keeping some in the market, but putting tight stop losses and just getting ready. Because if there are crashes, that's a very good thing for the crypto market. Because if we can pull out before a crash happens, which we would be able to see on the charts, we'll be able to see a lot of what's happening around the world. If it's bearish, if the sentiment is bearish, and we keep breaking down from these support levels, it's very likely that we are most likely going to see a continued crash, correction, or whatever you want to call it. But that is a good thing, because what it does, it brings buying opportunities for us investors who are dollar cost averaging, or just buying a dip or holding long term. It provides buying opportunities not only for you and me, but for many people around the world. And when there are buying opportunities, that causes a lot of people to come in who normally would not have come in at these current prices. And actually the drops of cryptocurrencies actually end up being some of the most bullish things that can happen, because the bigger the drop, the bigger the bounce. But here is the thing, and why I welcome crashes is because crashes welcome and bring volatility. But if you sell now, if you see things are bearish, you pull out before they crash 10%, 15%, 20%. and you buy the dip, you're going to be able to buy 20 to 15% or even more cryptocurrencies that you had. And when they go back up, you're going to make a lot more money. So it's like double the profit almost. So crashes are actually good, and I do welcome them. But unfortunately, they're not the most fun, especially while you are sitting in the market, while your cryptos are sitting in the market. And that's the importance of technical analysis and understanding before those things happen. And that's what I help you to do in the Patreon. Now, let me take a look and show you exactly what's happening for cryptocurrencies. So right now, this weekend, this Easter and holiday weekend, we are seeing low volatility. The last several days have been very low volatility. We have had some explosive price action, but we come down just as fast. But we are still attempting to recover with higher highs and higher lows. And as of right now, we are starting to try to move. That is a good thing to see. But we are still basically in a neutral zone, neutral territory, where we are kept inside this resistance and support levels. And for Bitcoin, that is going to be 41,500, and the support is going to be 39,200. So the support for Bitcoin is 39,200. If we break below that, we are going to see a bearish dump. We are going to see a correction most likely. But if we do begin to break above this level with confirmed volume and continue to go up, it's very likely that we're going to see some bullish price action. So it's very easy. Technical analysis shows you where the market is headed. If you break above resistance levels over here, you will get breakouts to the upside. If you break out on support levels that have been holding up for quite some time and they are broken, it shows you that there's going to be dumps and crashes, as I can show you over here has happened. Look, we had a support level here, it was being respected and held, and when we broke down, look how much of a correction we had. The same thing goes to the upside. Look, we had that same support level was resistance over here. When we broke it, look, massive pumps, massive bullish action. So that's why resistance and support levels are very important. And if you want to learn what these are and how to actually do this, the chart like this, I have a crypto trading course which teaches you technical analysis. It is 66% off, so I would get it while you have the chance. The link for that will be in my video description, MYLESGinvestments.teachable.com. Now, if you got something out of this video, at least one thing, give this video a thumbs up. Please consider doing so, and let me know in the comments below something that you got out of this video that has helped you. And if you want to be able to day trade cryptocurrencies tax-free, open up an iTrust Capital account with my link in my video description below. All you have to do is fund an account, and they will give you $100 in free Bitcoin. Now, share this video with a friend or family member. This is going to be it for today's video. I will keep you updated in the Patreon if anything changes, and I will be making a video tomorrow, so make sure you guys stay tuned for that. It will be coming out early afternoon. And you all have a wonderful holiday Easter weekend. I will see you all later.